What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade again here for you. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about a cryptocurrency that is about to take off like you've never seen before. We are looking at Ethereum and how it could potentially surpass the 10K mark very, very soon. It's been a hot topic lately, so let's jump in. For those of you who don't know, Ethereum is the second largest market cap in the world of cryptocurrency. And let's not forget that recently, Ethereum has established a new floor price for itself as it stands. And it will never go below that price again, in my opinion. Let's take a look at my case for 10K Ethereum.
Vitalik dance. To me, it's almost like romance.
But before I jump into the content, I just updated my new free ebook on the 7 best ways to secure your crypto, updated for 2021. It's 100% free, so check that out in the description below, and it will also be pinned in the comments. All right, let's get started. Now, guys, one of the major facts that we have to mention is that Ethereum is the king leading crypto when it comes to smart contracts. Besides having the second largest market cap, Ethereum currently stands at a price of about $2,600, and experts are starting to say that it will hardly go down from there. Let's take a look at what might be fueling the rocket that will take ETH to the moon. First of all, spot volumes have been at all-time highs for this coin, and on January 11th, with the volumes of the month being up by 320% from December 2020. Ethereum is still over 30 below, so it begs this very important question. Is ETH ready to rally, and if so, how high will it go? Alongside increasing volumes, data from analytics firm CryptoQuant shows that the amount of Ether held on centralized exchanges has been declining to new lows, signaling increased buying pressure for Ethereum. Exchange outflows have also been increasing, which shows that buyers are interested in holding the asset rather than selling it. This means that ETH's bullish run will stop only when the analytics on centralized exchanges stops decreasing. This is not the only factor that will send ETH to the moon. Even derivatives data shows clearly that Ether looks bullish in the long run. Ethereum is trying to catch up with Bitcoin in regards to trading volumes and demand. Something that really sets Ethereum apart is its institutional engagement and retail inside different industries. First of all, let's not forget how almost everyone wants to use Ethereum's blockchain due to its simplicity, but most importantly of all, its decentralization. You see, Ethereum's blockchain is like an open source public service that uses blockchain technology to facilitate smart contracts and cryptocurrency trading securely without a third party. Ethereum is allowing users to do more and more things with it lately launching decentralized apps or dApps. Second of all, let's not forget about NFTs. Ethereum's blockchain is the perfect solution for everyone who is interested to invest, create, or launch NFTs. Many famous musicians like Eminem just this week are getting deep into NFTs and investing in them.
What the hell's an NFT? It's like real life Monopoly. Everyone is doing it like Gronkowski. Can you please help me make an NFT?
Ethereum's blockchain seems like the perfect solution for them, and we have talked about how that works in a separate video. So it is pretty simple to do the math and tell that Ethereum will shoot through the moon, and not so far from now. Now, let's go back a little and see the history of Ethereum. This way, we can all have a clearer vision of where the coin came from and where it's going. Vitalik, which is the original creator of Ethereum, has expressed that ETH was created with the purpose of bringing what Bitcoin was failing to provide. Bitcoin has always been about finance 99% of the time. With Ethereum, Buterin wanted to create a space where people can trade more than just cryptos themselves. Ethereum, along with Buterin's vision, was launched in 2015 and has been growing from there. Ethereum began rising steadily in January 2016 and reached a price at its peak of $15 in March of that year. But then the price fell 2 times lower immediately after the spike because of the Ethereum hard fork into ETC. For some months, the price of Ethereum fluctuated between $8 and $14. Ethereum was added to its list of backed assets in September by the Ledger Nano S hardware wallet, thereby allowing the coin to hit the $15 price. Ethereum suffered from a DDoS attack on September 22nd, and this resulted in the network getting very bogged down. This led to a prolonged downward trend that lasted until December. Then, by the end of 2016, ETH's exchange price had peaked at around $7 to $9. For Ethereum, 2017 was a very bullish year as the ICOs came in the first 2 months. The coin made a solid run at 23 bucks. In March, the price of Ethereum pumped to $53 and then increased to $95 in that next month. Another price push happened in June when the coin touched $400. This continued until mid-November when the price of Ethereum stabilized at the price range of about $270 to $350. Meanwhile, Bitcoin was gaining traction over the same time span and hit 20,000 at its all-time high in 2017. Ethereum followed in the footsteps of Bitcoin and soared in January 2018 to its own high of 1,400. The Ethereum price took another jump upwards on January 8th to cross the 1,250 mark before collapsing into a swift correction. The ensuing trends with regard to the Ethereum price were primarily a reactionary expression of those of Bitcoin, which saw it spinning its tires during the year into a bearish pattern. As a result, Ethereum finished the year well over the price mark of $130. Ethereum was trading from $100 to $140 at the beginning of 2019. In April, the first upward trend began. Ethereum began to rise rapidly, tracking the price of Bitcoin, and hit $300 in June. Ethereum was unable to retain these positions though, and began moving back to its former price marks. Ethereum began increasing again in December of 2019 and hit $280. From there, Ethereum continued 2020 with its trading price of $143 roughly during January. Progressively, ETH rose to $268 by February. Later, the price of Ethereum declined to $117, give or take, by mid-March due to COVID-19 outbreak, which resulted in the major downfall of most crypto assets. But what does the future hodl for this coin?
So if Ether is your global computer in the future, what's that worth? It's gotta be a ton, and it's gotta be worth as much as digital gold, I would think, maybe more.
Well, Ethereum's market cap has bounced back to more than $284 billion, while its 24-hour volume has increased to more than 40 billion. Now, let's mention some very important factors regarding Ethereum's next bullish run, which may have already started. Bitcoin is at its highest now, despite that it currently stands at a price of 54,000 after dropping sharply from 63,000 down to 48,000 during the past week. However, this price is still pretty high for the average investor. People are looking for the new Bitcoin to put their money in. Enter Ethereum. At a price where Bitcoin was in 2017, Ethereum could be the next potential crypto to go for a bull run that will surpass the price of $10,000. Let's put some things into perspective here. Number one is that Ethereum's blockchain is currently kind of hosting around 47 other cryptocurrencies that take part in the top 100 of the total market cap. 2021 proved to be the golden year for the crypto space as Bitcoin and Ethereum hit the highest ever levels. Despite that ETH price started trading below $800 at the beginning of 2021. The price quickly gained momentum and crossed $1,300 by the end of January. The asset experienced a slight pullback when it was on the verge to surpass $2,000 in mid-February and trended to $2,000 throughout March of 2021. However, April began with a surge above $2,000, forming new highs at $2,641 and sustaining comfortably above those levels. On a bullish note, Ethereum repelled back to $1,014 by the start of January, and then ETH broke its previous price records by recording a new all-time high, and moreover, it might perform effectively if Ethereum 2.0 succeeds, which it probably will.
14,605,000.
How many did we win? One.
The price may rise consistently throughout the year, with further improvements coming soon. Ethereum might trade at $5,000 by the end of 2021, and Ethereum may continue to be in a bullish trend and may trade between $4,000 and $5,000 during the start of 2022. The price may surge significantly with certain variations throughout the year, and ETH might concentrate more of its developments altogether. Ether may hit as high as $6,000 by the end of 2022. The ETH ecosystem might focus on the boosting of network ventures, and it may concentrate on new projects, developments, and partnerships to enhance the overall Ethereum network. By the end of 5 years from now, Ethereum is anticipated to hit about $10,000 per coin on the conservative side. There is a lot of pressure around Ethereum right now, however, with coins like Cardano and Polkadot trying to enter the race. However, we are very confident that the leader of smart contracts won't give out its throne without a fight. With all that being said, that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know your opinions in the comments down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. If you click in your top right corner, that will be why Polkadot will be over $1,000 very soon. See you guys in that video. Crypto Renegade out.